Here we go again with another Dogecoin update video for your viewing pleasure on the Grapcoin YouTube channel. Dogecoin is re-entering the upper support area of the B wave. The previous video dealt with the tally. Just a few days ago, the pricing was severely rejected in that upper resistance level, and then retreated to the support area, which is likewise old news. The price has previously used this orange-colored support area as a jumping-off point. It was evident on the chart before. The date of the rally is March 20th. This can only happen in three distinct waves: a little 1 to 2, an AB, and a C wave downward. After the A wave dropped to its lowest point, the high B wave and the overshooting B wave occurred in rapid succession. I mentioned in the last video that this dip in wave C looks like a finishing diagonal. This is all predicated on the last diagonal, the yellow count. Thus, the present upswing might be the fourth wave. I mentioned earlier on Discord that I think we're witnessing a small fourth wave bounce, and that I'll be watching for one more low if the price stays below 17.4 cents. What is the significance of that level? The fourth wave of a diagonal may theoretically keep going all the way to the 61.8 retracement level, or 16.4 cents. On the spur of the moment, we might mention the 50% R, cutting across the 61.8 at an angle. The fact that the fourth wave might continue to be a fourth wave even after it climbs over these diagonals makes them difficult to ignore. The problem is that the B wave peak limits the movement. However, chances and probabilities are crucial once again. 17.4 is something we will verify. Before I could even consider the possibility of a low, I had to see the negative trend break. Wave 5 might see its ascent after that. Yes, certainly enough has been accomplished. What this means is that the low might have already been hit if the pattern were WXY instead of ABC. This is the problem. I'm maintaining vigil for any possible more lows, but it's possible that the low has already been reached. It is capable of doing that. That isn't necessary for it. In light of the fact that the price has already exceeded not just the ideal, but also the practical zone of support, in addition to the usual target of a C wave, the 100% extension level. The 1411 cent range is reiterated as the support range. Regarding a fourth wave, it is the common belief. This somewhat narrowed support area does, however, contain the 123%, 138%, and 100% extension levels. We derive this range by comparing the A wave projections with the C wave length. Basically, this is a crucial spot to monitor. Also, since it has already surpassed the 100% extension, the chances of hitting bottom have grown. I will wait for a small breach above the red resistance zone, also called the micro resistance zone, before I declare a low in place, regardless of whether a reversal candle is seen. No doubt it will be absolutely captivating. The following, in my opinion. In 3 hours, the weekly candle closing will be clearly in sight, so there will be a great deal of attention. If we do reach a peak, it will be the fifth upward wave, the one shown in yellow up there. Tell me where it could take us. Maintain vigilance near 23.7 cents, as they represent the next positive Fibonacci levels. Here we are with this one. Where is it located? In order to view the daily diagram. No, it's absolutely not. Look, it's only a line. There are 26 cents in all. That's how much pushback there is. But after that, at 37.4 and 28.2 cents, you'll find the next two Fib levels. So that's the only thing that requires our immediate focus. The arrival of bulls before a breakdown below 11 cents should be the first priority for traders at the moment. Since we can then purchase one, I would prefer to have this. A more eminent 5-wave pattern to the upside, and according to Doge's yellow count, the first think this would come out beautifully. Therefore, it is advised to keep going in the same upward direction. It is possible that after the next peak, there will be a larger fourth wave pullback, one more high in wave 5, and possibly even higher yet, considering that the yellow count represents a component of wave C of a larger third wave. As a first step toward realizing our ideal situation, let's attempt to construct the fifth wave of the C wave of the C wave of wave 3. I have updated my Doge status. Please let me know if you found the update interesting. If so, we'd greatly appreciate it if you could like the video, subscribe to our Grapcoin channel on YouTube, and comment below. Thanks a lot for taking a look. So long.